Okay, this is exactly what I needed today. Like, seriously.
Rough day?
Rough week. My laptop crashed during my presentation and don't even get me started.
Oh no, in front of everyone?
In front of everyone, including the new professor who already thinks I'm disorganized.
Okay, that's rough. I'm sorry.
It's fine. I mean, it's not fine, but coffee helps, you know?
Coffee always helps. Hey, at least you showed up. Half the class didn't even come.
Wait, seriously?
Yeah, like 5 people just didn't walk in. No reason, nothing.
Wow, okay, suddenly I feel a little better.
So listen, I actually wanted to ask you something. You know that trip we kept talking about, like forever ago?
The road trip thing?
Yeah, so I was looking at dates last night and I think we could actually do it. Like for real this time.
Harry, we've said this like 3 times already.
I know, but this time I actually looked stuff up. I found this route, it's about 6 hours. It goes through the mountains, there's this little town halfway with the best food apparently.
Wait, you actually researched it?
I made a notes list and everything.
You made a list? Okay, who are you and what happened to my friend Harry who can't even plan what to eat for lunch?
Hey, I can be organized when it matters.
Sure. Okay, show me this list then.
Okay, so look, day 1, we drive up here, stop at this viewpoint,
Oh, that looks beautiful actually.
right? And then this town, Millbrook or something, has this little market on weekends.
Wait, when are you thinking of going?
So that's the thing. I was thinking next month, like the 15th weekend. What?
I might have my cousin's thing that weekend. Her engagement party or whatever.
Oh, yeah, no, that's important.
No, wait, let me check. Because I think it might be the weekend after, actually.
Really?
Yeah, it's the 22nd. So the 15th should be fine.
Okay, so we're actually doing this?
I mean, maybe? Who else is coming?
I was thinking just us two. Keep it simple. Last time we tried to plan with a group, it turned into a whole disaster.
Don't remind me. 3 weeks of group chats and we ended up going nowhere.
Exactly, so just us. Easy, no drama.
Okay, but we need to actually book something this time, not just talk about it.
100%. I'll send you the links tonight.
I've heard that before.
Sina, I'm serious this time.
Okay, I believe you. But if you don't send those links by tonight, the trip is canceled. Non-negotiable.
Done, by 9 p.m., I promise.
Fine. And okay, I'm actually kind of excited now.
Yeah?
Yeah, I really need to get out of the city for a bit. Clear my head, you know?
Same. This whole semester has been a lot,
Way too much. I feel like I haven't stopped since January.
which is exactly why we're doing this. No laptops, no assignments, no professors,
Just mountains and good food?
just mountains and good food.
Okay, deal. To actually going this time.
To actually going, finally.
Don't mess this up, Harry.
When have I ever messed anything up?
Do you want an alphabetical list or chronological?
Okay, fair enough.